Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGSThoughtfultoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Your depth. Acceptance is realizing there are many stages throughout your journey. Acceptance is realizing the past may not repeat itself, even though you desperately want it to. Acceptance is loving yourself in your own skin and knowing the journey brought you here. Acceptance is realizing the depth of who you are, your newfound wisdom, and the person you're destined to be. Thank you so much, Danny G. That's amazing and powerful. I love this poem. I believe as soon as you let go and accept things the way they are, you'll be so happy. And God will open those doors for you. Love is so powerful. If you follow your heart, the deep down inside, what you truly desire, not the ego stuff that you think you want and fight through things and stuff like that, but what you truly desire deep down, slow your vibes, figure it out. You can. It's possible. I know it is. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.